This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Heather Base. Welcome home. Conveniently located to military bases, hospitals, and shipyards, this 3-bedroom 2-bath brick ranch is situated on a 0.78-acre lot in the heart of Western Branch and zoned for CHITTUM. HVAC, roof, windows and furnace replaced 2015. Water heater replaced March 2021. Custom kitchen with solid wood cabinets, quartz countertops and premium appliances including a double oven and 5-burner gas range. Large rear deck for entertaining, huge 800 square feet. Double bay detached garage with dedicated 200 amp electric service and workshop. Extended large concrete driveway, great for a boat or RV storage. Make this house your first stop and your last. For more information